Wang Market, also known as Siriraj Market, is a vibrant and bustling market located near the Siriraj Hospital in Bangkok. It offers a unique shopping and dining experience with a local flair. Here are some of the key attractions and highlights of Wang Market. Food stalls and street food. Wang Market is renowned for its wide selection of street food and local delicacies. You'll find numerous food stalls offering an array of Thai dishes, including pad Thai, grilled seafood, noodle soups, mango sticky rice, and various snacks. It's a great place to indulge in authentic Thai flavors and explore the diverse culinary offerings. Fresh produce and ingredients. The market is a hub for fresh produce, fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Local vendors display an abundance of colorful and fresh ingredients used in Thai cooking. It's a great spot to explore and purchase ingredients if you're interested in cooking Thai dishes or looking for fresh produce to enjoy. Fashion and clothing. Wang Market offers a variety of clothing stalls and shops, with a focus on affordable and trendy fashion. You can find both local and imported clothing items, including tops, dresses, t-shirts, accessories, and footwear. It's a popular destination for shoppers looking for fashionable bargains. Accessories and crafts. The market also features stalls selling accessories, including jewelry, bags, wallets, and fashion accessories. Additionally, you can find handicrafts and handmade items such as woven baskets, home decor, and unique souvenirs. Local products and snacks. Wang Market showcases a range of local products and snacks. You can find traditional Thai snacks, sweets, herbal products, spices, and packaged food items that make for great souvenirs or treats to take home. Riverside location. One of the attractions of Wang Market is its location along the Chao Phraya River. You can enjoy a scenic view of the river while strolling through the market or take a short boat ride to explore nearby attractions like the Grand Palace or Wat Arun. Wang Market offers a lively and authentic Thai market experience, where you can sample delicious food, shop for local products, and immerse yourself in the local culture. It's a great place to experience the vibrant street market atmosphere and interact with friendly local vendors.